Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to April Shop. It is, what's today, the 3rd, 4th, 5th?
5th
of
February.
Already. It's
2019.
It's the 5th of February, and this is my weekly shop update. So, as I mentioned last week, I am somewhere in America, maybe Texas, building another one of these bandsaw mills. April contacted us in August or whatever. She's like, I think I want to build one of those big ass bandsaw mills. And we're like, yeah, sure. And then she planned it all. And now we're here. So this is day 3 of the build. And personally for me, like coming through this whole project and just like reliving all these moments I had like in misery by myself in my backyard. And it's going so much faster than it was when I was trying to figure out what I was doing the whole time. This has been an incredible, incredible experience. So anyway, April, Johnny, and JD, we've been kind of plugging away here. So day 3 is where we're on right now. We're about halfway through the day. Day 1, we got the whole bed done, which was crazy. Day 2 was the carriage, and most of the saw beam is all ready to go. And then today we got the linear rails installed, so those are ready to go for the saw beam. Next thing we're gonna be doing is moving this thing out of here because it is going outside.
It's going outside.
So that's gonna be fun to get this thing out of here. But another really great thing about this whole process is that like now that I have the actual plans for this, it makes this so much easier than me trying to figure out like where everything's supposed to go. So like the saw beam is almost ready to go and all the holes are drilled in it already. So we can mount it and then everything is just gonna get bolted on and it's gonna be done, which is a lot nicer than what I did, which was like put stuff on, take them off. Put stuff on, take them off. Put stuff on, take them off. I got old pretty quickly, but it's been a lot of fun. So let me just walk around a little bit and we'll just kind of show off some of the stuff we still have to add here. So if we go over this way, we have all of the runners for the bed, which are almost ready to go on. And this is cool. This is really cool. So April took care of getting like everything ready to go before we even got here. So this cart used to be full of just all the steel parts for everything that's over there now. And just watching this pile start like dwindling and going down has been a lot of fun. It's kind of like a fun game, like how fast can you get rid of parts. So that's all the steel parts. And then over here, we have some beautiful baggies of every single part. So everything has been super well organized. We've got boxes for all of the, I guess, the bigger components, as well as all the hardware, which is used already for that thing. So it's been quite efficient. And so one of the, I guess, logistical issues we had was the wheels that I used for my mill wouldn't have gotten here in time. So April had to, not even 1-up me, like 5-up me. And she got some crazy premium wheels. So if you come take a look at this, they manufactured the whole bearing plates and everything. So she's got these super beefy roller bearings, which is ridiculous. And the wheels in here, these are all solid steel. So mine are cast steel, and they don't have nearly this much webbing. So this saw is going to have so much inertia that it's just going to be able to saw through anything without any problem, I think, that's cool. So if you want a premium level upgrade, you get this crate right here. But like, look at this.
Oh, it's insane.
Look at these things.
They're quite heavy.
That's the idle shaft with the giant bearings on it. That beats the crap out of my little like $50 pillow box bearings that I have. And then over here, the other thing that we got started yesterday was kind of starting to go through the motor stuff. So April's doing the same 10-horse electric motor as well as the same lift motor that I have on mine. So I've just been getting into this, getting this all hooked up to make sure it all works so that when the saw is ready for this, these are all ready to go on and they all work and stuff. So it's been a crazy week.
It's been a crazy 3 days.
Yeah. Not that many setbacks, though.
It hasn't been that long, yeah. It's been a few days. It's been going really smoothly, which is kind of nice, kind of surprising. And if anyone is in the Austin area, we are having a meetup that is at St. Elmo's Brewery.
Yep.
Wednesday, it's tomorrow.
Wednesday, February 6th.
Wednesday,
From 8
February
to 10
6th.
Central.
PM.
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 Yes.
Not in the morning.
There'll be more information.
Drinking beer at 8 a.m.
I mean, you can. I'm not going to judge you. So I'll have that down in the description if you're in the area and you want to come out and meet us. We'll be there for a couple hours tomorrow night because we've got to get back here and get this thing running. We've got a whole pile of logs to saw. Let's collect some logs. So April has already gone out and gotten a bunch of logs for us to kind of play with if and when we get this thing running. So if you didn't see already, April built my log lifting trailer mabobber thingy, which is cool to see too, because a lot of people have built that and started doing this, and that makes me pretty happy. Anyway, this is a really cool pile of logs. I think it's a mesquite. Is that what we decided?
Yep.
And then this is an oak, live oak or something. That's a nice big old crotch right here. So we're gonna hopefully cut that. There's some cedar and some pecan back here, and that's an ash. So I mean, there's a pretty good number of logs here for us to cut up when this thing gets running. So I'm looking forward to the day when that thing starts spinning and we start cutting up some logs. So anything else, guys? All right, we'll see you at the meetup if you make it out. Yeah, that's all I have for this week, I think.
Until next time.
Thank you as always for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about April's giant bandsaw mill thing or anything back in my shop, please feel free to leave me a comment. As always, I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. And until next time, happy woodworking!
Happy